about the power of prayer. Power! All of us would like to listen to God. Prayer is a way for us to communicate with God. It is a way for us to listen. Pray as if Jesus is beside me and I imagine that His arms is in my shoulder saying to me, I'm listening, my brother. I'm listening, my child. I'm listening, my beloved. I claim what you have said in your sermon, that you shall open the door for me. That makes prayer powerful because it is promised that God will open the door. So whenever you pray, just pray, Lord, I'm knocking at the door. Please open the door for me. Hebrews chapter 4, verse 16. Let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace. Throne of grace where all free gifts ready for everyone are restored, where God resides. Get in touch with God boldly. Lord, I know I am your child and I'm special to you. I want this. Specify it because you are a child of God. In James chapter 5, verse 16, confess your faults one to another and pray one for another that ye may be healed. The effectual, fervent prayer of a righteous man availeth much. Confessing your fault to one another makes your prayer effective and powerful because this is a promise from the Word. When does God listen? John chapter 9 verse 31 it says, if any man be a worshipper of God and doeth His will, he'll be healed. Now, to whom God listen? To the person who worship God. And what? Doeth His will.